क्या बात है, मैं छोड़ छोड़ने पागल रही हूँ, समझे? ये
HP printer.
कैसी शादी है और कैसा रिश्ता है ये, इसमें ना दोस्ती है ना प्यार है,
And the cost is only 6,000. This is an offer for a Flipkart. See, here bill is given inside the here in front of the. Now we are opening this. So we take the bill and we will see the cost of the bill. See address, billing address, and the amount of the cost is 600, and the discounted is, you have to see this 500 rupees discounted. This is an bill of this printer, HP printer, and the model is now we will open this. The model number Desking Advantage 3700 all in one, and it will scan C wireless print scan copy. Now we will open this inside the box. We have to very carefully open.
Look at yourself. कैसे कपड़े पहनकर तुम ऑफिस जाते हो? You are not at all presentable. ऊपर से ऑफिस वाले सब तुम्हें चंपू कहकर बुलाते हैं, चंपू। लेकिन से मेरा काम तो ऊपर से तुम ना ही किसी क्लाइंट के साथ में सोशलाइज करते हो, ना ही किसी कलीग के साथ में सोशलाइज।
See guys, now you are opening, going to see this is right side. Is given HP link and see inside. Now we are opening this. This is an adapter for the printer to charge, to connect with the current. See, and this is the setup for HP to the laptop, to set up in the laptop. And this paper is given HP cartridge. We don't know. This is an USB cable.